Check-in done.
Okay, let's go. Alright, we don't know. We're about to figure out where we're going. Check-in? Oh, over there? Okay. It's 4 in the morning. I don't see any numbers or letters. H. So we don't board our flight until 6:35, so we have like an hour and a half to go. But yeah, we're here. About to eat some chips and probably take a little nap if I can. Probably can't, but we'll see. All right, we'll see you later. Are you gonna say anything, babe? Are you gonna wave? You didn't. You didn't wave. All right, we'll see you guys later. How do you feel? It's your first time on a plane. How do you feel?
Relax.
You're so funny. She had infused agave, so she's relaxed. That's our plane. I think I said it already. The big Spirit yellow plane right there.
Where the hell did they get that hot coffee?
Joanna's ready for some food
And you want to go and see
and
that
drink. Maybe they might be open. You want to check it out?
Yeah, you want to go?
Me? Walk there?
Together.
Together? Okay. Hopefully nobody takes our seat. We're super early. No, baby, it doesn't matter. I'll sit anywhere. I don't care. It doesn't matter. All right, let's go try to find some food. Do you guys see this line for the only coffee that's open? I don't even know if there's hot food here. I hope so.
Yeah, there is. I saw people
walking
away with pastries. So I hope.
Pastry's not hot food. But it will do.
But they're Cuban, so they gotta have probably empanadas.
Probably. Guys, what do you think of her purple hair? Her hair's purple. Her birthday's on Saturday. I'm afraid to drink coffee because I already had enough. And we didn't go to sleep last night. So we've been up technically. Well, it's about to be 24 hours in like 2 hours. We've been up packing. I packed like 2 hours before my Uber came. Guys, oh, here's babe with the hot chocolate. This egg and cheese is good, but breakfast just cost us $30 in the airport. We got 2 bacon, egg, and cheese croissants and 2 small hot chocolates, and it was $30.50. Am I lying, babe? I'm gonna take our seat. Like a perfect seat when we come in. Let's go.
Yeah, I think it's
A Kirkland sandwich? They're good. I'm gonna taste hot chocolate. Let me take this $30 hot chocolate. It's good though. All right, I'm gonna eat. We'll probably see you guys when we're like boarding the plane, right, baby? Bye. You ready? You ready? Baby, you're gonna miss your first takeoff.
No one around already?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Say bye, Miami.
Damn. It's gonna take off now?
Hmm?
Take off?
Mm-hmm. Here we go. Hey guys, so we made it to our first destination. Can anybody guess where we are?
We always stop first for weed.
You can't see the name, or can you? We're at Native Roots right there. We're gonna walk in and see what this is about.
Oh, sorry, sir. You're good.
And yeah, hopefully it's great.
And it smells good.
You said it smells good?
Yeah.
All right, let's go see what we're doing. This is medicinal and recreational.
I got you.
Yeah, just as long as
Yeah,
I
I'm gonna
appreciate
get you.
that.
Of
No,
course.
I really appreciate
no
that.
worries.
That's that forbidden melons there.
I think that one. What do you
And then there's that Sunday float too.
Yeah, this one's gonna be heavy.
This or the
Absolutely.
Sunday float? What do you think?
I like both. They both are good.
Absolutely.
Where was the show cashew? Well, let's pick two and then get a live rosin edible. Do you want to get two and go to a live rosin?
Okay, sounds good.
She's like, yeah, let's just get high.
Let's just do it. Look at Babe, she's driving, guys. She is actually driving in Colorado. We are in Denver. We're about to go to the first Chipotle. I think this is the first Chipotle. We're about to go. The flagship Chipotle.
Stay in the right 2 lanes.
I'm so excited.
I'm nervous about driving here, but I think it's really easy. I'm just ready to smoke.
I want to drive too.
And you're like trying to eat more food.
Joanna, I cannot do anything until I eat. I don't know if it is. It's really, huh? It's long? Babe, where are we going?
Smoke lounge.
We're gonna go legally consume our cannabis, and then after we're gonna be able to check into our Airbnb. Yeah, I'm just really tired though. The whole not getting sleep is catching up to me, so.
Well, you can't go to sleep yet.
I'm not gonna go to sleep. I'm just saying I'm getting kind of like.
When you get to
Tired.
the place, just take like a 30-minute nap.
We will hopefully be able to film inside the Tetra Lounge, so you guys can see what it's like. And if you're in the Denver area, you don't have to call. It is a smoking lounge. You can bring your own cannabis flower and smoke there.
You've got one roll.
We do. We already got one roll, and then we can roll up in there. They're not gonna say anything. You bring your own cannabis. You do what you need to do. Joanna's speeding like she knows where
In
she's going.
3/4 of a mile, turn right onto Walnut Street.
So this is a very interesting place. It's like you can almost see what it looked like years and years and years ago. Okay, but this is Tetra 9, the cannabis lounge where you can smoke real flower inside. Tetra Lounge. So we are about to go inside and see what's up. They don't close until 12 a.m. tonight. Huh? Where? It doesn't matter to me. There's so many spots. This is so cute. And chill, man. Look, guys. Okay, so yes, this is a cannabis. Where's your card? Did I drop it?
No, it's my pocket.
Oh. Yes, this is a cannabis card. So you have to pay $20 for the whole day, right? But you get to come in and out as you please. And basically, they have set up inside and outside for you to smoke as much as you please. Like, it's so freaking cute. Babe is trying to light. It is windy, but we wanted to be outside. I'm still in the same clothes. I still haven't slept. But I am about to smoke comfortably, so we have that going for us.
If I get it lit.
Let's go inside. This one ain't about to smoke my shit. I'm going inside. Let's go. Guys, so we are just leaving Tetra 9 Lounge. And not gonna lie, that spot was cool. We will definitely be back often here. Let me type in this address real quick.
My phone?
Let me do this. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. I have to type in the address for our Airbnb. Okay, so you guys are seeing it in person with me for the first time. This is a suite on a house. So we have like the downstairs part of the house. And this is what it looks like. The bed. We got the little fridge. Little things here. Got the mirror. Bathroom. Shower. Oh my, what's it? Oh. This is cute. Okay, guys. So, what are we doing, babe?
Going to the Church of Cannabis.
Yes, so there is something called the International Church of Cannabis, and we are gonna go see it. There is a light show. I don't know if we are gonna go see that. We might just go and see what the church is all about. Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really thirsty.
I'm dehydrated as hell. It's still daylight out. It's 5 o'clock right now. That means it's like 7 o'clock where we're from. And yeah, I'm just tired. We will see you guys when we get to somewhere. Gas station for something to drink, to church. I don't know. And we keep forgetting the camera, 1. And 2, we keep forgetting the camera because I'm tired, we're tired. And the camera's a little heavy and we don't want to bring it around right now. But tomorrow we're going to be filming on the camera.
Yeah, because we're doing something really exciting.
We'll see. Just kidding. Alright guys. No, we will. We are. We'll see you guys later.
Don't let me down.
I'm not gonna let you down. We're gonna do whatever you want to do. Alright guys. Look at these Denver streets.
Damn, I knew I should have packed those yellow shorts.
Yeah, the sun is like brutal up here. It burns through the skin. Through it.
Oh, you putting your eyebrows on?
Mm-hmm.
So you
Eyes
put
are red.
Dude.
Should I put some Visine in?
No, why?
I am. They're a little too red for me. I don't like it when they're that red.
You're on vacation.
I am, but come on. Come on. Bro, my ponytail's too tight.
Yes, guys, we're at the Church of Cannabis.
The International Church of Canada.
Yes, as Chamaine said.
I don't know if we're too late, but
Hopefully we're not. And
yeah.
if we are, I'm about to go eat. I'm starving.
We're gonna go eat something if we are late. Because we're moving as fast as we can with no hours of sleep.
Ooh, Hang Bangkok. It's so good.
Is that barbecue? Guys, let me show you what it looks like. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Put that in the window. So here it is. It's #1 rated on Yelp when you do come to Denver. And basically, we're about to go in and see what's showing here. Come on, Bob, let's go. Let's go. And let's go. Oh. So we're gonna see if we can get in. It's kind of late. They close at 7 and it's like 5:45. So yeah, we're gonna see.
Hopefully.
We're gonna see if we can get in. Okay. And what does it say? It says not main entrance. Go to front doors, please. What's today? Thursday, 4 to 8. So let's go to the main doors. So that wasn't the main entrance. Look. Come on in. We're open.
So fun.
I know. Let's take a picture in front. Oops. So I don't want to talk too loud because they just finished a session in here, I think. I hope you guys got to see that little quick tour of it. But yeah, I'm talking quiet because I don't want to disturb the ambiance that they put in. We're not going to stay for the light show they have. It's a little too long and things I don't want to do. But I did just want to come in and see what it looked like. I thought it actually would have glass, not paint. So we're actually going to leave now. Yeah, I was falling asleep outside waiting. Yeah. Okay. So let me give you guys one more tour. Alright, let's go home. Thank you for that. No, that was okay. I just wanted to see it, you know. Have a good one. Whoa. Whoa. What'd you think, Bob?
It was alright.
It was not what I thought it was at all.
Yeah.
I'm about to eat. Joanna the whole time was trying to find food. I was falling asleep. In the mood
See,
for
this place look good, right?
what?
This place?
Let me see.
24 minutes away.
What is it?
Look, this place.
Wait, don't drive.
Make sure they got cornbread. If they don't got cornbread, I don't want it.
Guys, we're trying to find food. I think I'm gonna eat and I'm really gonna call it a day.
Yeah.
Because I need to like rest so I can have energy for tomorrow.
But man.
Yeah, it's like 8 o'clock from where we're from, so. You know, it's getting up there in time. Hopefully you guys, the footage looks okay. Consider it's on our phone. Oh, my finger. Look how cute it is in here, guys. It smells really good. I think so. Guys, we're inside.
It looks like your rooms are sold out.
So what's here? Brisket, pulled pork, smoked turkey, spare ribs right there.
Okay. You like spare ribs?
Yeah, I know they have a thing. I kind of want chicken.
I can't.
I'm sorry.
I know. Can't wait to eat.
They sold out of some stuff, but we're still gonna eat here.
Yeah.
Hi. It's our first time here.
Perfect. What's the size for the truffle mac and cheese? Do you want one or two?
For what?
Mac and cheese.
Is 12 ounces good for 2 people? Okay, thanks. That's good, right, baby? You want 2?
Yeah, can I have 2?
You're so greedy. It's quick.
Yeah.
It's already
You wanna
ready.
drink?
Of course.
Thank you.
Oh, that's so fun. Yeah,
I'll take a root beer bottle.
Okay.
I'll take a Modelo. I'm gonna take a Modelo. Yeah. Wow,
I
look
don't
at all
think I
that.
need exactly. It's hot.
I know.
I'm about to go to town.
We're gonna be knocked out.
59 or 56, 59.
Okay. And you got the drinks, right? The
Yes,
Modelo.
I'll go
Okay.
get them.
Guys, Joanna can't even stop and talk to you all because guess what? She's fucking hungry, and so am I. A Modelo. I don't even drink beer, but I'm about to drink this Cerveza today. How's it, baby?
It's good.
It's
There's
good.
no seasoning.
No seasoning. Look how fast her hands are going, guys. Baby is hungry. Good? He said, yeah. Mmm. The mac and cheese? Delicious. Let me see if I can get. I gotta try everything. What's this, cornbread? What's truffle? I don't know about the cornbread, baby.
Really?
I don't know what truffle is. What? Beans are decent. How's your brisket?
Oh, I didn't eat it.
Okay, I'm gonna try the citrus. Whatchamacallit? With some rib. Try some rib, guys. I don't think I've ever had it this black.
That's good.
You said that's good? I tried that sauce. Guys, this was a quick eat. The place did not live up to the reviews. So, we did bring some leftovers home that are edible. And we are gonna go home and rest. I'm just like tired. I don't feel too good. I don't feel good at all. So, I'm gonna smoke and then go to sleep. And hopefully I feel a lot better in the morning. So we'll see you guys probably when we get back to the Airbnb, and hopefully you heard everything I said. Okay, bye.